In the criminal justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
Forget this!
Come here! Don't even think about it. Let's go. Let's go. Don't leave me. Let's go. Don't look at me. Let's go. Turn that corner.
Oh no.
Don't look at me. Come on.
Brother! Brother!
Help! Help! Oh my God! Help!
Bright and early Monday morning. How it always is. What do we got?
Hey, my name's Officer Landry. We got a kidnapping, a scared victim. I think it's
A kidnapping. A scared. You called us for a kidnapping. Do you
Upon,
realize what we do?
You're the sex
Not
police,
this.
right?
Okay, yeah.
Upon further
Do you have your
investigation-
badge?
Upon further investigation, Smarty, you find a dead body.
Fine. I'll take it from here.
Well, we have a 21-year-old white
What's
man.
going on here?
So,
What is the sex police here? What is this, a joke?
That's what we thought.
Yeah. This is, you do realize
What do we
you're
have?
in there?
What do we have?
who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'm Detective Smith.
Prove it.
This is my jurisdiction. I don't understand why you're here.
I don't either. Let's talk.
As I was saying, we have a 21-year-old white male, several lacerations to the neck and torso. He's very apparently been raped. Before or after death, we don't know that yet. I'll have to...
You want it?
It's mine. I don't understand why I'm here.
Maybe because that's what we do.
Yeah, okay.
The sex police, as we put it.
Well, listen. Thanks, guys, but I think I got it here.
His body was clearly found in our jurisdiction, so this is
No,
our
man.
case.
Yeah,
Check
we'll-
again.
we'll
This is
take
our
it from here.
jurisdiction. All right, we'll see how your chief feels about that one.
Yeah, maybe
Good.
we'll let you tag along, maybe not.
Yep. Yeah, no, I don't understand why they're here either. All right, I'll let them know. Stuff's about to get really nasty if you don't leave.
I'll go get Cragen.
All right. Bag everything up, tag it. I want it in my office.
All right, guys, let's go.
Katie, do our job.
So, it's concurrent jurisdiction. I understand. Thank you. I need to see you now.
Captain's not happy.
Better be with you.
Who's that guy?
I just talked to the chief, and apparently the crime actually happened in our jurisdiction. However, he lived in another, and it's also a federal crime, so it's going to be concurrent jurisdiction.
I see your friend is still with you.
Apparently it's concurrent jurisdiction.
We're unfortunate.
Anyway, back to our unidentified. Any luck trying to find out who he is?
Not so far.
How much?
Well, I ran the dental records, so I should be getting that back soon. So he has, like I said, there's several lacerations. He was raped ex post facto,
Ex post facto? What does that mean?
post-mortem, after the fact, after he was killed.
Interesting.
So there, I could find little to no DNA evidence, so whoever did this was obviously very professional.
It was done very well.
How professional are we talking?
Well, like I said, not your average run-of-the-mill person would know how to pull this off without leaving this little evidence. So someone who is very familiar with death, crime.
So we could be talking about an inside job.
Also, some background experience with law enforcement.
I don't know that much yet, but definitely somebody. You might want to look.
Yeah,
Any
let's not jump to any
murderers.
conclusions.
It's always a possibility, but right now I would look for maybe anybody who's just been released, because they've obviously done this before.
Hey, are you Vanessa?
Yes. Who are you?
Detective Stabler?
Detective Benson. Okay, just asking about security.
Oh, yes.
Just have a couple questions to make it as quick as possible.
Okay.
What can you tell us about the suspect?
He was tall, white, skinny. He was white, of course. He had a gray jacket on, and he had blue jeans, and he had dark shoes.
Any kind of limp or anything like that?
He ran like he had something up his butt.
Something of he could have been keystering,
Yes, exactly. It looked like that.
where you hide something up your butt.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, any tattoos or anything like that?
No, his arms were covered,
Okay.
so was his face.
Well, if you have anything else, we can go ahead and ask.
Okay.
Thank you.
How are we gonna break this one to him?
Not easily.
Your job.
Hello, sir.
Is your son's name Steven?
Yes. Is this your son?
What did he do now?
He's dead.
What?
Okay, there's a possibility he was kidnapped. There's a possibility. Well, we just, we
Damn
had to
that
ask
boy.
you.
I always knew he was gay.
It was ex post facto.
So,
It was after the fact.
Good, good.
He died there.
Yeah.
Indeed. Okay. We didn't.
Took that one well.
Yeah, it's not as bad as I thought, though.
Maybe the mom will come out and talk to us.
We should wait here.
We should wait for a second to see if the mom comes up.
I like that color.
It's very nice. It's a very nice
A
entry.
lot of houses are.
Hi.
Are you Steven's mom?
I am. I'm Debbie Ann.
Debbie Ann. Nice to meet you, Debbie.
I'm sorry about my husband.
It's no problem. I'm just Detective Stabler.
Detective Benson.
So this is about my son?
Yeah, did you hear anything from your husband?
No, he just went in saying he was a manly man. That's all I got.
Well, he wasn't being a manly man, but the thing is, he
Is dead.
has been killed. There is the possibility that he would.
There's a possibility
Please tell
that
me he was hunting. Please tell me.
He was hunting
he
for
could have been
something.
hunting.
For something. But he was.
We don't know the details.
He was raped.
Raped?
It's possible.
He dropped his
How did
gun.
this happen?
Well, see, the reason it's possible is just wondering if your son was gay, by chance.
My Steven? A homosexual?
Possibly.
No.
Did he
Never.
have many girlfriends?
Not many.
Okay, well, did he have.
How exactly is this?
That's my daughter. Don't worry about her. She's just a little worked up about this. I didn't want her to see you guys. That's why I tried to.
Well,
Sorry.
did he have many boyfriends?
No. Not many.
Not many. Okay.
The occasional few?
Well, we're a very liberal household.
Oh.
I mean,
Clearly by your
friends,
husband.
Friend, well, not his his house, but he's not home.
Oh.
I'm a very embrace player. I like to embrace him.
Okay.
So did he have roommates?
No.
Not at all.
So was he more flamboyant?
There may or may not have been a man by the name of Elton John in our house once or twice, but that does not make my Stephen gay.
We just want to make sure.
Okay, well, we'll find out when we can, and I guess we'll get back to you.
Please tell me if you find out anything.
There's my Jewish people.
You got anything?
No, something happened. Definitely.
Damn, Perp got him again.
She's gone.
You can call for backup or something.
Yeah, well, we didn't find anything. She filled out a test. It's medical examiner.
Alright.
Hello?
Munch?
Yeah.
Alright, I've been going over the data that I've gotten back. This was definitely somebody who has extensive knowledge. I mean, this was only an officer would be able to pull this off.
Yeah, we just had performed a building search on Vanessa's house and she's gone. She's gone. Do you know who else interviewed her?
As far as I know, it was just Olivia, Elliot, and that Officer Smith.
I knew he was bad news. I knew it.
All right. Well, what'd you find?
I mean, just the level of gunshots and stab wounds. I mean, there's no way that just somebody off the streets would be able to do that and not leave any evidence behind.
I got it. All right. I think we're gonna have to talk with this Mr. Smith, Officer Smith guy.
Bless you.
All right, you do that. I'll call you guys back if I learn anything else.
Okay. Bye. Listen, I just got a call from the medical examiner after performing a building search on that Vanessa girl's house, the witness. She's missing.
She's missing, huh?
Yeah, and the main subject that the medical examiner told me, I think, is that Officer Smith fella.
Oh, well, we're right by there. We'll pay him a visit.
Okay. All right. Good luck. Bye.
What's going on?
We're gonna go pay Mr. Smith a visit. Right here. I'm clear over here.
You're over here.
It's another dead end.
Call it down to me.
Hello.
Captain,
Yes.
the witness is missing. Stabler and I paid a visit to Smith's house, and he is missing also, so we're going to need to check out with him.
So what's happening? How can you explain that?
We've linked Smith to the missing victim and to the missing suspect and the missing witness and the victim, so we're going to go ahead and try to get a warrant for him and find him.
Okay, sounds good. Y'all come on back to the precinct. We'll see you there.
Okay.
So what's going on? You tell us?
Watch any news?
Yeah, they found Officer Smith's car. They sighted it, and Munch and Finn are on their way right now.
Okay.
We'll go meet them. All right.
Way to sound enthused.
No. What? Same cop. Block him. Get down! Man, I don't want to shoot you. Jesus Christ.
Stay down, man.
You better stop moving before I bust your head. Come on. That thing you doing? You under arrest for the rape and murder, nigga.
Alright, so before we start, you do have the right to counsel, which is your right to have an attorney present before any questioning.
I know.
Do you wish to have an attorney?
Why not? Because everything you throw at me is inadmissible since you have no evidence that I was even there.
Actually, we do have evidence.
You're facing capital punishment. You can get the chair for this.
For what? An actus reus that I didn't commit?
Actually, when you murder somebody and commit another felony, it's called a capital felony.
And
Do you want to make a plea bargain?
I'm playing no low contendere because as far as I'm concerned, I don't have anything to do with it. You have nothing on me.
Are you aware that when you plead nolo contendere, it's the same effect as pleading guilty?
You have to prove it.
Are you aware we have this on camera?
Okay. Because I don't believe you.
We're gonna let Dr. Wong step in.
So how are you, Dr. Smith? Hello, Dr. Wong.
How are you today?
Dandy.
You are. So how was your childhood?
Swell.
Swell.
Yes.
So, did you have any troubles in your childhood?
Not that I can remember.
Anything that we can confirm with anybody?
Everyone will say I'm a perfectly normal child.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Are your parents still alive?
One of them is.
Can we confirm that one?
You can confirm the other one that's dead, yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Bye.
Alright, so what did you guys get?
Nothing, basically. What'd you get?
By seeing, talking to him, I think he's socially incapable. He has been mistreated as a child.
Incapable of what?
Socially.
He's socially inept.
Yep.
Just did everything pretty much.
Mhm.
Okay.
Just a failure.
And I have reasons that he is gay.
He's gay?
Yes.
Is that all? Okay. Well, it's another nail in the coffin. All right.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, good work, detective.
All right, let's see what we have here today. Case 334, Jonathan Smith. Please rise. How do you plead on the 2 counts of kidnapping, 2 counts of rape, and 1 count of murder in the first degree?
Not guilty, not guilty, not guilty, not guilty, not guilty.
Not guilty, Your Honor. All right, not guilty. Shocker. All right. Ms. Cabot, opening arguments, please.
Guilty.
Not guilty, really? So what if I told you that I had proof?
Hmm?
Yes or no? Did you do it?
No.
Seriously?
Present it. No. Present evidence.
I have the burden of proof, okay? The proof is on your face. You're sitting here lying, you have a tell. Did you know that your ears wiggle when you lie?
No.
I think that's admissible evidence, don't you, Judge?
I do. Objection!
Objection of what?
Your badgering of my client.
I don't think the jury minds.
I move for a mistrial. Settle down, you two. And, for mistrial is denied. Please continue, Ms. Cabot. This is ridiculous.
You know perjury is a crime.
Yes.
My client is not lying under oath, and you have no proof of that.
Right here, Menace Rea, guilty mind. Are you serious?
Objection! Overruled! Fine. And my client is not on the stand right now. So you're badgering?
I'm badgering